young phenom, Michael Trout.
He's about the best I've ever seen.
If you tried to build the perfect player, you'd look a lot like Mike Trout.
More than any other game, baseball is all about.
Remember these windows.
Ask any
Okay,
baseball
I'll talk
fan
about
that
it
comes to
when we
mind,
get into
you
the
hear
hall.
the number 762, and they'll either tell you about Barry Bonds, or correct you and say 755.
There's a new home run champion of all time, and it's Henry Aaron.
300, 500, 3,000. Each number recalls an image and represents a benchmark by which those who play talk
I feel
about.
like you're in a 52-year-old baseball stadium.
Mike Trout and numbers have seemed to define his career more than others, whether it's the traditional numbers such as batting average or the new age analytical numbers such as WAR. Whichever side of the spectrum you land, old school or new school, Mike Trout is entering the realm of immortals.
Trout not too far behind Joe DiMaggio. Maybe another manhole. He's tied with Ted Williams.
Which makes it unbelievable to think he's just reaching his 1,000th career game.
There's also two
Let's start with the
fireboxes
old school
that way
statistics.
up.
He already has a career batting average over 300, over
There's also a
450 extra
waterfall that comes
bases,
down
and
that
over
rock area.
150
That
stolen
A
bases.
formation in the corners of that waterfall. Underneath that rock area, the
career game,
groundskeeping
only
crew,
two
the guys
players to
who
debut in the
field
modern
grass,
era have
these
matched
people
those
are
marks.
equipped there.
Hall of Famer Willie Mays and
To the left
three-time
of that, you
MVP
have that
Alex
blue can.
Rodriguez.
That's the
Those players
Sherwin Williams
also happen
Paint
to be two of
Company
the four
that
members of the
has
3,000
$1 million
and
to
600
the
home
player
run
to
club,
get the home
which
run
if Mike Trout
on
keeps
a
up
fly,
his career
if
rates
you
and
can.
plays
They'll donate $1
1,700
million
more games in
to
his
the
career,
baseball
he will
foundation.
reach both of those marks and
hasn't
become
happened
the
yet.
fifth player
That-
to join that club.
Mike Trout thrills us once again. He plays like a Hall of Famer. It's incredible.
The all-time runs leader is Ricky
Number
Henderson.
4, because he has leads on. Also, we've had
1,000 games, he had 795 runs scored and led the league in runs only twice. Trout enters his millennial mark, only 43 runs off the pace of the self-proclaimed greatest of all time.
This kid is something to behold.
Right now, in 2018, Mike Trout leads the majors in runs scored and has already led that category 4 times.
Mike Trout proving once again why he's the best player in the game.
The new school numbers makes Trout's march to Cooperstown almost inevitable. By OPS plus, Trout is already tied with Roger Hornsby for the 5th highest of all time, trailing guys named Ruth, Williams, Bonds, and Garrett.
really amazing what they
Though admittedly, OPS plus can take a hit as time goes on, WAR is a counting stat that can only be added the more games he played. According to Baseball Reference, Trout has a career WAR of 60.7, which already passes Hall of Famers Carmen Killebrew, Mike Piazza, Yogi Berra, and Vladimir Guerrero.
hot out here. Not so
Mike Trout can't do. Not on a baseball.
swollen from both sides.
Mike Trout has already won 2
Night games.
MVP awards through 1,000
Players
games.
love it. They all sit
7-time
out here.
MVP Barry
They all
Bonds
take
had
part
only
of the
one
game.
through 1,000 games.
Laying on the fence,
And
be
the
part of
other
the game,
9
but yet they're
players
still
win at least
protected.
3
All I gotta do is
MVP
cut.
awards, only
And they're
Jimmy
still
Fox,
protected.
Joe DiMaggio, Roy
We used to
Campanella,
not have
Stan
these,
Musial, and Mickey
fences
Mantle
or
won at least
benches.
2
Everybody
before
sat back
hitting
there.
1,000.
I think the only 2 left that have that was open. Oakland is still an open dugout. So there's no
1,000 is just
protection,
one of
so
the many
players have
marks
to dive out
Michael
of the way
Nelson
every
Trout
foul
will
ball.
hit as his career goes on.
But
It's just a wonder to think.
we had
He's already
Mo
hit
Vaughn. I
so
don't know if
many,
you
so
remember Mo
early
Vaughn.
in his
We
illustrious
spent a
career.
lot of money, $83 million for him. And on opening day, he's going back. He's
Young
playing first base. He
phenom,
goes back
Michael
for a
Trout.
foul ball.
He's about the best I've ever seen.
If you tried to build the perfect player,
So we
You look a lot like
quickly
Mike
got
Trout.
permission to put up fences.
More than any other
And then
game,
a few
baseball is
years
all
later,
about
the,
numbers.
players were
Ask any baseball fan what comes to
back
mind
there.
when you hear the number
So,
762, and they'll
now
either
this is
tell you
the
about Barry
norm
Bonds,
for all dugouts to have benches at the fence up front.
or correct you and say
All participating in the game.
755.
There's a new home
Mike
run
Scioscia, our
champion of
manager,
all time,
stands.
and it's Henry Aaron.
300,
You know,
500,
Angels are gonna be back
3,000.
here on Monday.
Each
You got to get it now. But come Monday, they repaint all the logos, repaint the lines, the field will be perfect again, and be ready to go.
Whether it's the traditional numbers
watch
such as
your
batting
head,
average,
it's a
or
little
the new
low.
age analytical numbers such as WAR, whichever side of the spectrum you land, old school or new school, Mike Trout is entering the realm of immortals.
Trout not too far behind Joe DiMaggio. Maybe another manhole. Tied with Ted Williams.
Which makes it unbelievable to think he's just reaching his 1,000th career game. Let's start with the old school statistics. He already has a career batting average over 300, over 450 extra base hits, and over 150 stolen bases.
Man, oh man.
Enter his 1,000th career game, only 2 players to debut in the modern era have matched those marks. Hall of Famer Willie Mays and 3-time MVP Alex Rodriguez. Those players also happen to be 2 of the 4 members of the 3,000 hit and 600 home run club, which if Mike Trout keeps up his career rates and plays 1,700 more games in his career, he will reach both of those marks and become the 5th player to join.
Basically, all season ticket holders, he's out here in front, and then the Diamond Club behind us, the Diamond Club bar there. But one thing we started doing last year, we felt, why don't we let them have all the nice stuff? So now we rent out the tables. So you can buy a table of 6 or a table of 4 and spend the whole game, watching it from there.
43 runs off the pace of the self-proclaimed greatest of all time.